In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project plan in ClickUp. To start, make sure you're in the right place inside your workspace. Navigate to your team space and open the main overview area for your workspace. This is usually where high-level projects and spaces are organized, and it's the best place to base a project plan that your whole team can access. Once you're on the overview screen, look for the option or icon that's highlighted in your interface. This is typically where ClickUp lets you create or add new items. Go ahead and click that, and from the options that appear, choose Templates. Using a template is a huge time saver because it gives you a ready-made structure instead of building your project plan from scratch. In the Templates panel, select the highlighted project template that fits your needs. Then click on Use Template. Before you import it, you'll see an option called Customize Import Items. Click that. This is an important step because it lets you choose exactly what comes into your workspace from the template, such as tasks, assignees, and settings, so you're not importing unnecessary clutter. Next, click on Remap Dates. This is crucial for planning. It shifts all of the template's dates so they line up with your current timeline instead of keeping old or past dates. Adjust the settings the way you want, then confirm by clicking. Use Template again. ClickUp will now create your project plan with all the tasks and structure in place. Once the template has been applied, you'll be taken into your new project. Click on the highlighted area to open up the list or folder that was just created. You may see multiple views or sections, and a few more highlighted spots guiding you to the right place. Follow those to drill down into the actual working area of the project. From here, click into the production section of the project. This is typically where execution tasks live. Then switch over to the Progress Board view. This board view helps you see tasks by status, which is really useful for tracking how your project is moving. After that, click on the Timeline view. The timeline is excellent for visualizing your schedule, dependencies, and how tasks overlap. When you're done reviewing the timeline, switch back to the board view to manage tasks in a more hands-on way. Finally, use the highlighted controls within the board and individual tasks to adjust details, move items through stages, and refine your project plan so it matches how your team actually works. That's your full project plan in ClickUp, ready to go.